Hello and welcome to another 3D printing video. Today I'm going to be testing out Nerf dart mods. I was looking around on the internet for models that I could 3D print to modify Nerf guns, and I came across Nerf dart mods where you basically take the regular end of the Nerf dart off and then put on a new one. And so I actually designed some of my own, and it's super simple. They are just cone shaped darts, so they're the same except they're sharper basically, so they'll hurt more, hopefully. And so that's what I'm going to be testing out today. So I printed 6 of these. Oops, dropped one. I have gold color. I have 2 of the gold ones, gold PLA. And I have my copper PLA, and I have glow in the dark PLA, wood PLA, and black ABS. So I'm going to be testing out all 6 of those. And I'm also going to be comparing them to the regular Nerf dart, or actually not quite the regular one because it's the Chinese knockoff, which are awesome. They're the best. So let's go outside and do this. Okay, so we made it. So here is the setup. I have this cardboard box right there, and then I have a tape measure to mark my distance. That goes from there all the way to 20 feet, and that is where I'm going to be shooting the darts from. I'm going to compare my modified darts to the Chinese knockoffs, which are the best. Okay, so we're here. And so as control, I'm going to open up these darts first and load them up into this. Okay, so we got 6 of the normal darts loaded up, and I'm going to test if I can shoot the box. So I'm going to zoom in on the box for you guys. Okay, so that was the control. I only hit it a few times out of the 6 bullets, but that gives me a representation of how well I can shoot and how well the bullets work. So now I'm going to try the 6 of the modded darts. Okay, so we learned one thing with that round. I didn't hit the box once, but the bullets went way farther. So the evenness of how I glued them may be part of the issue. They don't fly straight, but they fly really far because of the heavy end. So I'm going to try several more runs and see if I can hit it at all, and if I can't, then I'll get closer and see how big of a dent I can put in the box. Okay, so that settles it for my thought of them being not very accurate. They don't shoot where I want them to go, but they do fly really far and fast, and they're kind of pointy. So I'm going to get 10 feet closer because that was a distance of 20 feet. I'm going to cut that in half and see how well I do then. Okay, so there was a big difference that time. Being 10 feet away from my target, I hit it every single time, and I don't know if you can tell, it put dents in the cardboard. Not very large, but probably enough to hurt someone. Boom, I don't know if you can see them all, but there's 1, 2, 3, 4. I can see 4 of them with the camera now. I hit it all 6 times, and they put dents in it. So now the only thing to do is to test what it does to flesh. Okay, that's right, I'm gonna shoot myself. So for this first shot, I mean, actually, I'll do a point blank shot right in the arm and see if it hurts. And I do really have the bullets in there. Okay, so let's do this. Glow in the dark PLA shot. Here we go. I'm gonna do it right here. No blood. That's good. Yeah, so it hurts, but it's not that bad. I'm gonna pull it away a little bit. Ow, that would, yeah, that's motivation to shoot someone back. If someone hits you with one of these, you're probably gonna get mad at them. And if anyone ever 3D prints these, please don't shoot it at yourself or anyone else, okay? There are, yeah, you can hurt someone really bad, especially with a more powerful gun. This is an okay gun, but there's a lot stronger ones out there, and it would not feel good to be shot with one of those. And I bet you could draw blood really easily. So please don't do that. And so, yeah, why not shoot myself one more time? Ow! Ooh. So that was fun. I hit myself several times. You can see red spot, red spot, red spot. That's a mole, that doesn't count. So, yeah. So, in conclusion, I'll get my head in here. Hi. It's really Neo. In conclusion, we learned that modifying your darts makes them a lot more powerful, a lot more painful, but it doesn't necessarily make them shoot better. So I also designed one where it's a square on the end of the dart, and that doesn't work very well. These being cones makes them work better than a square, but they still don't work as good as the original. Now what I did is I pulled the regular dart tip off and put the modified one on and glued it all over the place. Ended up gluing my hands, gluing the darts. It was pretty messy, but I did it. I'm gonna probably use these, not at people, but I'll probably use these more. And let me know in the comments which color you would like the most. The glow in the dark, the black, the gold, the copper, or the wood. So, okay guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please leave it a like. If you enjoy Nerf gun mods, Nerf mods, anything I hear with 3D printing that can mod Nerf guns or guns of some kind, not real guns because that would get too complicated and I don't even have any real guns. So comment below what Nerf gun mods I should do, or if you like them or if you don't like them. I'd like to hear your opinion. And if you enjoy 3D printing videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching guys, see you next time.